Hi there, Jess O'Connor here with the Miller Realty Group. Today we're here to walk through 9052 Spanish Wells Court in Tega Cay. It's a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home located in Tega Cay on the peninsula. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the video tour together, and I'm going to point out some features of the home along the way. If you have any questions at all, either about this home or about local real estate, feel free to reach out. You can ask me any questions in the comments, or you can send me a text or give me a call at 704-900-9990. So with that, let's get started. I'm going to share my screen here so we can take a look at this video together. So bear with me. There we go. Let me go full screen on it. All right. And oops, we're going to back it up just a little bit because I want to give you a good shot of the front of the house. There we go. So this home has a basement. It has a 2-car garage, which leads into the basement, and then 2 floors above it. So let's take a look inside. There's a shot. That's the front door right there that we're looking at. And as you walk into the home, you walk into this really open, sort of formal living room. That's another shot of the living room looking back towards the front door. This door over here, this is a coat closet, but the front door is over here on the right. Another shot of the front room. And now we're going into the dining room. I'm going to pause it probably in just about every room we go in, just so you know. So the dining room, this is a really nice size room. It's open. It's great for entertaining. They've got a table which fits 6 chairs comfortably, 2, 4, 6, yep. But I think you could probably even go a little bit bigger in this space. There is a good amount of light coming in this room, as with most rooms in this house. And there's also the sort of the architectural details that you might expect for a formal dining room, like the chair rail and the crown molding. Of course, we do have hardwoods throughout most of the house too. And here's a view from the dining room back into that front room. Now, as we go back further into the home, we've got this area. So this to me is really nice. Let me back it up a little bit here. So you've got the formal living room in the front of the home. Now towards the back of the home, open to the kitchen, you've got this kind of more comfortable, what I might call a family room or a den type of area. Gas log fireplace, ceiling fan. They've got a TV mounted over the fireplace here, and with a door out to the back deck. So this is just kind of your comfortable hangout space. At least that's what it would be if I lived here. And we start to get our first views of the kitchen here. All right, this kitchen is what you would expect a nice kitchen to look like. We've got the hardwood floors, the granite countertops, stainless appliances, these really nice lighter colored cabinetry, which I believe is probably maple. That's a guess if you didn't hear it in my voice, but it's a nice lighter finish on the cabinetry. There's a fair amount of cabinets here and a good amount of counter space. We've got this bar area where you can pull 4 bar stools up for sort of the more informal dining. And the window over the kitchen sink, which I like. And the gas top too, I should point out. Pause it one more time. Behind this door is a pantry. Behind this door over here are stairs down into the basement and garage. And let's just take a span looking from the back of the house towards the front. Over here, I believe behind these double doors here is the laundry, if I'm not mistaken. And then over here is a half bath, which I think we go into next. Here we are. So, okay, now we're going to go upstairs. All of the bedrooms in this home are upstairs. There's 4 of them, again, and 2.5 bathrooms. This is the master bedroom. This is located on the front of the house. So these windows here look out and over the road. And by the way, across the street from this home, the houses across the street are on the water. Kitty corner to this house is on the water. It's really close to the lake. Nice big windows here, bringing a lot of light into this bedroom. And back over here, this is the door to get into the room. This is the door to the master closet, and then over here is the door to the master bath. Just kind of orient you a little bit. And now we're in the master bath. You can see the dual vanity and the cabinetry that matches the kitchen cabinetry. Tile floor, tile shower, and surround on the tub. Nice big soaker tub there. Or garden tub, I guess you could call it. Now we're going to go down the hall again. We're still upstairs on the 2nd floor. Going to check out the secondary bedrooms. Hardwood floors, ceiling fans, the other full bath upstairs. This house was built in 2003. I'm not sure that I mentioned that before. And it's got just over 2,700 square feet. This bedroom at the back of the house. And then we're outside on the back deck. So this deck has this nice railing all the way around it, which is perfect to, you know, contain kids or pets, small dogs maybe. And you can see the backyard offers some privacy back here. It's pretty nice. Got a couple flower beds out here and lots of mature trees. Here's a view from the back of the property looking towards the back of the house. So this home I noted is on Spanish Wells Court, which is sort of off of Windjammer. And Windjammer offers at the end of Windjammer is a really great public park with two beaches and a playground. They're building a new pavilion there. There's restrooms there. There's a public dock. The Carolina Show ski team does a performance there in the summertime on Friday nights. It's a great summertime place to hang out. Now Tega Cay offers, there's a couple of other beachfront parks in Tega Cay as well. There's no HOA in this part of town in Tega Cay. There is a community pool that you can join. It costs about $300 a year to join that pool. And I also like to mention that Tega Cay has a new inclusive playground in the city. I think that's important to mention because it's pretty big deal for our area. We're really proud of it. So I'm going to go through, now that we've gone through the video, I'm going to go through the still pictures of the home. We've seen a lot of this stuff before in the video, but there's a couple of angles we haven't seen and a couple spaces we haven't seen. So let's just take a look through together. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments or reach out to me directly, 704-900-9990. Okay, so front of the home, looking from the street view. Closer shot there. There's a shot of the front door. There's a set of stairs that leads up to the front door here. Now, once you're inside the home, this is looking back towards the front door, which is this door right here. And here's our front room, which I guess we'll call it the formal living room. And the dining room. So if you've got dining room furniture with a buffet, hutch, something along those lines, china cabinet, you can see there is space for that in here. So you've got kind of the best of both worlds in this floor plan because it's very much open, the way that, you know, people love an open floor plan nowadays. But it's also got this sort of more formal dining area, which you could definitely put your dining room furniture in. And here's our comfy, cozy family room towards the back of the house. Love this room. And then our light and bright kitchen. And I don't know if I mentioned it already, but there's a window over the sink here to look out onto the backyard. I love a window over the kitchen sink. And you may know that about me if you've watched a couple of my videos. So you can see we have a gas cooktop here with a microwave above it. Half bath. And now we're upstairs. We're going to check out the bedrooms again. Master bedroom. And there's a secondary bedroom. Now here's a space we haven't seen before. So this is in the basement. When you pull your car into the garage in the basement, you can enter in the house. You can enter into the basement from the garage. There's a set of stairs that go up to the kitchen from there. Behind the garage, there's this space. They currently have this set up as an office. I think it makes a great office because it's very private. It would also make a really great maybe exercise room or rec room. There's a lot of possibilities back here. It's just kind of a, you know, bonus space in this house. Here's a view of the back of the house. And a nice shot of flower bed. And there you have it. So that was the video and all of the pictures. 9052 Spanish Wells Court in Tega Cay. Like I said, if you have any questions about this home or about the local market, feel free to ask them in the comments or reach out to me directly. You can message me or you can text me 704-900-9990. Thanks so much for watching and hope to hear from you soon.